Hi ESL2. So this is going to be your homework assignment for this week. So if you look at our Google Classroom, right here it says Reflection Writing Journal Entries. Click on that, and I'm going to explain to you what I want you guys to be doing every day this week. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I want you guys to be working on this. So under instructions, let me move my face. I said, hello all. For this last week before spring break, I would like us to make a record of these crazy times and practice our writing at the same time. So you guys are going to be writing 4 journal entries, giving me some details about what your day is like. I want to know. So, like, what did you do? What was on the news? How are you feeling? Did you go outside? Did you play video games for 4 hours? Did you not wake up until noon? What is your life like right now? And this is a great way for you guys to practice what I've already taught you. So for example, we've learned the past perfect, like he has been watching TV all day. Like if you're talking about your little brother, my little brother has been watching TV all day and I can't get work done. That's the past perfect. Past continuous, remember, is when you have ing with that have or has. So, for example, you could say, I had been working on my homework assignments from 9 a.m. until 11 a.m. and then I took a break. Okay, that would be an example of using that past continuous. And then the irregular past tense is just those words, like you could say the past tense of buy is bought. So you could say I bought 2 new dresses online because everything was on sale. Those are some examples of the kinds of verbs you could use that we've already learned. Now if you click right here on the example, I'll show you what I've set up. So all of your responses are not going to be on Google Docs, they'll be on the slides. So here are your directions. So it's called I Will Never Forget This Spring Break of 2020 Journal. Number 1, I want you to answer all the questions in complete sentences, like always, and make sure that the first letter is a capital letter. 2, you have to add some kind of a relevant image to what you're talking about. So if you played video games for 4 hours that day, you could, have a picture of, something from PUBG, if you just spent 4 hours playing PUBG all day. You can add more sentences if you'd like, or images to personalize your journal. This is yours, so I want it to look personal and like you've spent some time on it. But you really only have to do 1 image. But your writing is the part that I want to be substantial. So look at my example here. This is not something you have to write on this first slide. This is your example. So the date was Monday, March 30th, 2020. And up here, I want you to tell me what the weather was like each day. So today, the weather was sunny, it was gorgeous, it was so pretty. Now the picture that I included here is a picture from my kitchen table. This is what I look at every day when I do work with you guys and prepare things for you. This is my view every day. So this is what I wrote based on the questions. I said, so far today has been a good day. I was feeling happy about the sunshine and good weather today, so I opened my window to let in a little bit of sunshine. I woke up a little bit before 8 a.m. and got ready to start my office hours for the day. As I worked, I stared at these gorgeous flowers that I bought. And remember, this word bought is an irregular past tense, right? And has been is past perfect, if you guys remember that. I was feeling, this is the past continuous. We've learned all of these things. Okay. However, my heart fell when I learned that from Governor DeWine and Amy Acton on the television that schools, oops, forgot to write the word schools, I'll do that right now. I wrote close instead of schools. Oh, Miss T. Okay, so when I learned on the television that schools would be closed until further until May 1st, I really miss my students' smiling faces each day, and that is very hard. But I am grateful that they are safe at home, and I am hopeful that I will hear from more of my lovely students soon. So when you guys are writing your journal entries, I want them to be like mine. I want them to be at least 2 paragraphs. If you are answering all of these questions, you should be able to fill out 2 paragraphs of information. So if you look down here, let's move my cursor. The first one that you'll start with is tomorrow for Tuesday. So you'll put you'll tell me what the weather is, and then you'll have a picture, and then you will do your writing in the yellow box, okay? And then Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. One more announcement before I let you guys go. First, schools, like I mentioned in my journal entry, schools are closed until May 1st. After our spring break. So our spring break ends on April 13th. That's our first day going back to online classes. So you need to be on your computer doing your assignments on April 13th. But so far, according to the Governor of Ohio, Governor DeWine, we will not be going back to school until May 1st. All right? So if you guys have any questions, please ask me. Remember that I have my office hours from 9 a.m. until 12 p.m. And you can sign up to talk with me on video conference if you need help with anything. All right. Bye, guys. Have a good day.